Now we are testing this LG front-load washing machine, a modern 8 kg model with an inverter direct drive motor and with LG ThinQ smart control. It's a smart washer, so you can check or control it from your phone using the LG ThinQ application. The direct drive motor is built right into the drum, fewer moving parts, less noise and usually reliable. The motor usually has a 10 years warranty, but other parts may not last as long, so care still matters. The 8 kg size handles medium or family size loads easily, around 40 t-shirts in one go.
Here is things. Pre-wash, main and softener. So it's enough for turn, close the door, turn it on. And here we can find the best program we have. It's best for us. And there is the Wi-Fi options and temperatures, and we will start it without application like this.
The quick 30-minute cycle is handy for small or lightly dirty loads when you are in hurry. It has a tube clean mode that keeps the inside clean and prevents smells. It runs pretty quietly. There is a small diagnosis feature that helps figure out small issues through your phone via Wi-Fi. Overall, it's a modern, efficient washer that feels solid and simple to use once you learn the programs.
Last minute. The end. And it's almost dry and the quality is awesome. Look. Everything is totally clean.